Swing your arms. Swing your arms like this.
You're doing it great. Can you do it, Ev?
Swing your arms. Swing your arms like this. Okay, now kick your feet. Kick your feet. Like this.
Good job, boys.
Keep swinging. Swing your arms. Swing your arms, Ev.
Let's see that snow angel, Gray.
Oh, that's a good one, Gray. Let's see Ev's.
Good job. Good job, Ev.
Okay, you don't want to do that. Your ears are gonna get cold. Your head's gonna get all snowy.
What? What did I say?
Uh-huh.